If you have ever been right in the middle of a complex project in Adobe Illustrator, only to be hit with that frustrating read-only error, you know exactly how panic-inducing it can be. You have spent hours on your artwork, and suddenly the software tells you that you cannot save your progress. In today's video, I am going to show you exactly how to fix the Illustrator read-only error once and for all. This is a common issue, often caused by operating system locks or background sync services that think they own your file. If this video helps you save your work and gets you back to your creative flow, please hit that like button and subscribe to the channel for more essential design troubleshooting guides. Let us jump right in. The very first and fastest fix, if you are currently stuck and unable to save your work, is the Save As workaround. Instead of trying to force a save on the current file, go to the top menu bar, click on File, and select Save As. Give the file a completely new name and choose your local desktop as the destination. It is critical that you save it to your desktop rather than a network server or a cloud-synced folder like OneDrive or Dropbox for this step. This process creates a fresh copy of your work, completely bypassing whatever system lock was holding the original file hostage. Next, if that doesn't work, we need to check your file attributes if you are on Windows. Sometimes a file gets flagged with the read-only permission, which literally prevents any software from making modifications to it. To fix this, locate the Illustrator file in your folder, right-click on it, and select Properties from the bottom of the list. Under the General tab, look down at the bottom where it says Attributes. If you see the read-only box checked, simply uncheck it and click OK. Now, it's possible that your file is being held hostage by background software. If you use cloud syncing services like Dropbox, Google Drive, or OneDrive, these apps often try to upload a file the exact second you click Save. Because the app is uploading, it locks the file as read-only. Try pausing your sync for a few minutes while you save, or move your project into a standard non-synced folder on your local drive to edit. Also, be aware of a hidden culprit on Windows, the Preview pane. If you have your folder view open with the Preview pane enabled, Windows actually opens the file in the background just to display the thumbnail, which effectively forces Illustrator to see it as locked. Either close that folder window entirely or navigate to the View tab and turn off the Preview pane. These simple steps should clear those pesky locks and get you back to designing. If this guide helped you out, do not forget to support the channel by liking this video and subscribing for more expert tips. Take control of your workflow and happy designing.